Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi RS4 Avant Vorsprung, finished in Nardo Grey solid paint. This car comes with the black styling package, the tour package, advanced parking assistance package, sports package and the comfort and sound package. As we move closer to the car, it's fitted with the HD matrix LED headlights and dynamic front and rear indicators. And as we go down towards the wheels, these are the 20-inch alloy wheels in the 5 twin spoke design with the brake calipers with the RS logo on them. This car also comes with black roof rails. As we go into the car, these are the heated front sport seats finished in the leather with the RS logo embossed on them. And onto the dashboard, this car is fitted with the Audi virtual cockpit, where you can navigate your way through to change the display screen and the view to how you like it. This also has the touch screen where you can control your MMI infotainment system, Audi music interface, MMI navigation system, rear view camera, Audi Connect and Audi smartphone interface. In this car you've also got the deluxe 3-zone climate control where you can electronically change your climate. And you have this car also comes with the Audi Side Assist, Parking System Plus, front and rear camera system, Audi Presense, Audi Drive Select, cruise control, the Bang & Olufsen speakers and a panoramic glass sunroof. As we move towards the back of the car, you can see the rear is fitted with privacy glass in the windows. And as we go into the boot, this boot holds 495 litres of space, and with the seats down you have 1,495 litres of boot space. You also have your touch button to automatically close your boot for you, and we'll just take a look at the RS exhaust system. As we go into the back of the car, you can see it's fitted with the same leather. You have all 4 of your Isofix child seat points, and the outer rear seats of the rear are both heated as well. So for more information on this car, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.